Hi guys, this is Tom. I hope you're enjoying the video. I absolutely love charcoal. Hopefully that comes across in this video. If you want to see a longer 15-minute time lapse of this, you can hop over and join me on Patreon at the $5 tier. And if you want to go a stage further and see the full-length tutorial on charcoal, including the full-length, fully narrated, real-time version of this lion, you can hop over and join me on Patreon at the $10 tier. Be sure to check the links down below. There's loads of other stuff going on in there, including live streams. You can support the podcast. There's plenty of interaction and a slightly deeper level of connection. So until next time, guys, happy drawing, happy painting, and I'll let you get into the rest of the video. So you can see very abstract marks done with the rubber over the top there. You can see there's quite a few bits of rubber left. They're kind of they'll be kind of blown off there. Lots of detail in the eye. Less detail in that eye. You know, just enough detail in the nose to tell you what's going on, but we don't need loads. A little bit more detail in this area. This area really brought it to light. I like the nice reflected light we've ended up with in there, and in the context of the whole drawing, that's come out quite nicely. And then you can see those sharper marks done with the charcoal, but also the putty rubber, just to bring that to life. And again, nice high contrast. Remember, we end up with a lot of these areas have just been left from the very first pass where we just laid down a bit of mid-tone with the brush, and there he is, that's him.